Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's currently 5:55 and it's the perfect time to start my YouTube video. So today I'm going to be cleansing my crystals with incense for the first time, / using incense for the first time. So yeah, I just got this in the mail from Amazon. Check out my TikTokity because I just did an unboxing. So first, saw this girl on TikTok do this. She had this little bag, you put her crystals in it and did it like that instead of taking each crystal and doing that. It's easier and it saves time. So I'm gonna grab, where'd it go? Some little cute baggies I have and take out my stuff. Oh, why am I out of breath? I just had a pink drink and there's a little caffeine. I just got a text. But there's a little caffeine in it, so that's why I'm kind of crazy. Do this. Okay, I also got this little cute holder for incense on Amazon. Okay, I'm gonna move you guys. I need to be comfortable. I got my little ball of crystals. Beautiful. I need to like move you guys down so you guys can see me. Okay. Don't know. I have so many little tiny ones and I gotta be careful. I'm just gonna pour them out gently. Okay. I'm gonna tell you each one of them as I go. Some of them, I don't know the name of them at the top of my head and I might just put it here. This is Bolivanite. Cute. Tiger's Eye. Rose Quartz. I don't know if I should put this clear quartz in. I will. You know, cool. I think this is hematite. I might just put this one at the top because it's delicate. Carnelian, my favorite. Another clear quartz. This might be blue lace agate. Yes, it is. This is my mom's. I kind of stole it from her. This might be lepidite or amethyst. Not sure. Amethyst, my baby. And ventrine. This is like spotted jade. Oh, yeah. This is orange calcite, but it looks more yellow to me. Another amethyst. I hope these crystals are real. I got them from American Eagle. Black obsidian. This might be... Did I already say hematite? Not sure. I used it last night, but I forget. This one too. Lepidite. Not sure. Citrine. Same with this one. Not sure. I need to do better at that. Ooh, this is something with ruby, but I love this one. Super cute. Ooh, fluoride. Okay, another amethyst. I know some of these crystals are self-cleansing, but still want to do it. Moonstone, peach moonstone. Okay, let's put, nah, I don't need to cleanse that. Little clear quartz. Okay, that's my, did I already put that rose quartz ball in here? Did it fall? Is it in my pants? I always seem to lose that one. Ah, here it is. My favorite rose quartz spear. Cute. I'll be right back. I love TikTok. Okay, I also have some other big ones in my towers. I'm just gonna do separately, not in a bag, because they're bigger. Yes. This box looks kind of damaged. Oh, there's so many, but it was a good price, and hopefully I like this. And I have a cute ass lighter. My brother's, he doesn't use it anymore, which is good. Awesomeness. Throw that away. The top, not the incense stuff. Snapchatty. Another Snapchatty. Okay. Let's do this. So, get tissue just in case. So I'm kind of new to using these, so there we go. So you light it, like, and you do that, right? Why am I shaking? Ow. There we go. Ah, yep. Put myself away. Do you have to let it? I can't see if it's smoke coming out. Do you see it like moving? I might have to look up a video. I'll be right back. Okay, I was doing it right because I saw a girl on TikTok do it. But ow. I have to be careful with this shit. Ow. You light it? Did it go like that? Oh. See, I can't tell. I'm gonna try another one because I cannot tell if stuff's coming out. I'm such a dork. Well, I hope this is a good video. Hope it's entertaining. Because I haven't posted on the tube in a while. Actually, I don't remember. Damn. Are these fake? Hold up. Wait, I did it.
Yeah.
There we go.
Stick it in the thing.
I don't think it's supposed to be dark like that. Okay, I'm gonna throw this one away then. Okay. Can you shut my door? Cleanse my blue calite. It's like coming from... Fucker. Sorry, baby. Baby crystal. Cleanse. Shut my door, I'm filming a video. So cool. Get this one better. Okay, now I know how to do this shit. Okay. Celeste, raw Celeste. Obsidian. Point. Today's the Gemini moon. Well, I think it ended today, but that's my moon sign. Howlite. Beautiful howlite. I've always been obsessed with marble, and there's a crystal that looks like it. And perfect. Perlite. I don't know, this is a mixed one, I think it was called. I have bad memory. But Elvis Tower. beautiful. It's like a couple weeks old. Not old. Shit. I'm sorry, fluoride. A couple weeks I got it. It's been a couple weeks since I've got that one, but this one, my first tower point. Lapis Lazuli. Beautiful. Must be with my vertigo. Okay. Yeah, let me kind of want to cleanse my bracelet because I use it all the time. This is a turquoise. Okay. And then this bracelet, fluoride and carnelian I made. Okay, so this thing I found in my house, I think it's moonstone. Yeah, my mom got it, but I'm cleansing it because it's pretty and you never know. Yeah, well, I'm gonna take you up here. Okay, look at, okay. I'll do my necklace. This one I made the other day. Fluoride with rose quartz. Uh-oh, don't get on my baby. Sorry, babe. Cleanse. Cleanse. I'm such a baby witch. Cleanse my baby. Okay. Amethyst. Pendant. Cleanse. And then this one has a little amethyst in it. Citrine, I think you're self-cleansing, but cleanse anyway. Malachite, cleanse. Rhodonite, I think. I don't know. It's an R, but I wear this one a lot. It's my favorite. Cleanse. And this one I found in my mom's room. It looks like malachite. It could be fake, but cleanse. Sorry, Mom, if you see this. A mayo. I just organized my rings, so great. I'm just gonna hold this one cleanse because I don't want to take that one out. Because it do be like that sometimes. Okay, I'm going to cleanse this one more time. Recharge. And I'll cleanse these two. Aquamarine. There's a full moon coming soon, and we're going to wear these of my other ones. And these super cute I got from a small business. Rose quartz and clear quartz. And the tree of life. Love. I hope people like this video. I hope you guys actually watch it. Oh. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye. I'll show you, but this is what the burner looks like. Nice, right? Bye.